Do you use anti-allergics or antihistamines? Did you know that there are natural alternatives for them? Our body releases histamine when we get in touch with allergens. That's why it's very common to see people who have rhinitis suffer from sneezes, itchy nose, eyes, and throat. These symptoms are caused by an excess of histamine in the body, and antihistamines are used to relieve the symptoms. It's worth noting that they aren't used to cure, but just to alleviate the symptoms. In today's video, we will talk about natural anti-allergics. Allergies can be successfully treated without any side effects with these 5 natural options that we've selected for you. Garlic. Very used as a seasoning, this ingredient fights colds and flu and is great to fight allergic crises. That's thanks to the presence of an important substance, quercetin, one of the main antihistamine agents that protects our body. Propolis, one of the best natural antibiotics. Great for prevention and at the beginning of infections, it is also a potent natural anti-allergic. If you want to intensify its effect, use it with lemon juice. Drink a cup of fresh lemon juice with 20 or 30 drops of propolis extract. Do it 2 times a day, half an hour after your breakfast and half an hour after dinner. As you drink this juice, you will see your immunity getting more and more strong. Curcuma. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and also inhibits the activation of mast cells and histamine release. Interesting, right? Are you enjoying the video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help the channel. Probiotics. We recently talked about them on the channel. They are microorganisms that offer benefits to your health, helping the body keep a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Probiotics stimulate the immune system, fighting allergies. Good sources of natural probiotics are fermented foods such as kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, etc. There are also many probiotic capsules commercialized. Elderberry. It acts on the adrenal gland and facilitates the response of your body to fight the allergic reaction. A good homemade solution to fight allergies is elderberry tea. You will need 1 spoon of dry elderflowers and 1 cup of boiling water. The tea is very simple to make. Add the elderflowers to the cup of boiling water. Cover and let it cool a little bit. Strain and drink. It's recommended using commercialized dry elderflowers since the fresh leaves have toxic properties that are harmful to our health. We hope you like these homemade alternatives to treat your allergies, but remember that they are not a substitute for the diagnosis of a qualified doctor. These are preventive measures only to alleviate the symptoms as an aid to the treatment of some allergies. Have you ever used one of them? Share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.